Hello viewers, our topic of today's discussion is Introduction to Trigonometry. Please, I don't want this video to last more than 3 minutes, so I'll be very fast. Sorry about that. So topic is Introduction to Trigonometry. First of all, we have to know the definition of a word called trigonometry. A trigonometry is the branch of mathematics that deal with the relationship between the side and the angle of triangle and the calculations based on them, particularly the trigonometry function. So it mostly deal with right angle triangle. So let me show you how a right angle triangle look like. So the right angle triangle, we have a angle in form of this nature. This is a right angle triangle. So this place is a 90 degree. 90 degree. Angle have three angles. This is one angle, this is the second angle, and this is the 10th angle. 1, 2, 3. It has a three angles. So here we have 90 degree here. Oh, the angle facing this 90 degree is called hypotenuse. It's called hypotenuse, which is the longest side of this right angle triangle. Hypotenuse. Tenuse. Then this place, this is hypotenuse. We have the remaining part of the place, we have a adjacent and opposite. But the adjacent and the opposite, the position of opposite and adjacent depends on the placement of angles. Like now, for instance, if you have our theta here, which is our angle here, our opposite is going to be here, opposite. Then this place will be our adjacent. But in situation when our angle, this theta is here, when this theta is here, then opposite to this angle will be this place, will be opposite to the angle. And this side will be my adjacent. So that is why I earlier said that the opposite and adjacent depends on the placement of our angles. So from here, recall back to our definition of trigonometry. We mentioned what we call trigonometry function. And for you to remember this function, we are going to use what a word called SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. So from here now, let me bring this right angle triangle here. So I have this is a right angle triangle. This is my 90 degree. Is the same this angle. This is my 90 degree. So this is another angle here. This is another angle here. So let's assume our theta is here. This is what they call a right angle triangle. So this SOHCAHTOA, this S in this SOHCAHTOA, this is the first letter of this word. It means sine. It means sine. Sine. So C here mean cosine. So and T here mean tangent. So and from here now we are going to use this word SOHCAHTOA. So let's say this longest side of this triangle is called hypotenuse. We have hypotenuse here. Hypotenuse. Since the angle is here, the opposite to this angle will be here. We have hypotenuse, opposite, and this place will be adjacent. So using this SOHCAHTOA now, so when we have a sine trigonometry function, one of it, we have the first one because it's sine. So I can say sine theta will be equal to, this is sine and this S represent my sine. This is O represent opposite and H is hypotenuse. So my sine theta now will be opposite over hypotenuse. And where is our opposite? This is the longest side. So sine theta will be opposite, sine theta will be opposite over hypotenuse. So let's go back to the next one, which is cosine. It's also called cos theta because of this angle. It's equal to cos. We have A here and H. A represent adjacent and H represent hypotenuse. So we have adjacent over hypotenuse. And the next one is called tangent. Tan theta. It's also called tan theta. And tan theta from here, from the word SOHCAHTOA, is O and A. O means opposite and A is adjacent. We have opposite over adjacent. So I have a opposite over adjacent. So, and remember, this sine, cosine, and tangent is not the only trigonometry function. We still have more trigonometry function or ratio. Like we have a cosecant, we have secant, and a cotangent. So in our next class, we are going to discuss more about introduction to trigonometry. Thanks for watching.